So the Ranger 2000 Odyssey is continuing for me. I had a gross pilot error last time and dropped it in the corner of the cornfield, wheat field. Didn't do a great deal of external superficial damage, but internally it wrecked the blooming plywood, so we've had a bit of a repair. One of the flaps got a bit loose, so we've also worked with that, and yeah, we're hoping for a better experience. Wind's not really in the ideal direction today, plus it's a bit of a bugger to throw this one, to say the least. So let's just have a little look at that. That's about right. Yeah, so it's a bit of a bugger to throw. It's heavy, and I'm a little old man with bad blooming CFS, and so it's tricky. Once it gets up there, see, the clouds are a bit better today. We should be okay, but where's the wind gone when you want it, eh? Okay. Ooh, that was a bit hefty there. Alright. Not too much energy. We just want to fly it around a bit. Yeah, it can be a bit intimidating. It goes pretty high pretty quick. Yeah, that's when it's most difficult to tell which way it is, I must admit. Yeah, it is pretty difficult to tell which way it is. So we need to work on that. Let's try for a low pass. This is downwind. So, a lot of energy. Yeah, seems to be okay. Thought I'd mixed in some flipping. Right, let's get you up a bit because I still need more of that. Yeah, that's difficult to tell which way it's going then. Oh, very difficult. Oh, come on, up, up, up. Yeah, up. Okay. Yeah, that rudder's a bit, not rudder, the blooming. Not rudder, the rudder's okay. Yeah. I think there's so little wind that we are going to bring it back in that way. We need to have a little bit of look. Okay, let's see. Let's come around, come down, come down. Oh, well, it's here. Okay, so there's a few issues there that are what? Higher rates is probably good. Also, we don't appear to have got that. There we go, that's better. I think that will be an advantage, and also definitely want a bit more of that. Okay, so where's that wind gone? Nowhere. In theory, you can get this one along the ground and off, but I don't think I will. Yes, now I can see that is happier. Right. Ha ha ha. tendency to go that way. Let's let it for a minute. Oh. There's your eyes in a bit. A little bit more energy. A little bit more energy. Okay, and up you go. Let's go up. Up, 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 up. Run out of energy there. Okay, so what do I think about that? It seems to run out of energy pretty quick. It turns alright now though. I think maybe the motor angle is a bit... Let's get up a bit. This is definitely a challenge. It doesn't want to fly slowly. Better when it was windy, I'm sure. Oh, there we go. Oh. Can you believe it? Right there. Can you believe it? I'm going for a walk then. Aha! It have found you. Now I'll walk down to the end then, save killing your field. Well, that's twice, I think. I'm having some trouble with it. I think it's just a bit too big. Oh dear. Maintain signal though. Destroyed that. Okay, let's try and carry you back in one piece. Oh no, I've been there before. Well, not exactly there, but in that cornfield, I'll tell you what, it's not good now it's grown.
No.
It's a bit of a trek. But it does have the added advantage of sort of being soft.
Yeah.
For things to land.
Did you get your canopy?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, it was all in one place. It's like, well, the best thing to do now is just let it go down. So when you can't see which way it's going exactly, and this is one of them models that when you get it in the right profile, you can't tell which way it's going. You know, this way or that way. It's like, wow.
Yes, I suffer with mine occasionally, but then I've got an autopilot on mine.
Yeah.
Right, I've got done.
Yep. Well, I'm done anyway because that was the end of my flight, as it were.